Hi, dear friends from Robolod. I'm so delighted to be talking to you. This is, as I understand, the 20th anniversary of Robolod, and it's actually the fourth consecutive year that I'm honored to be part of the FABA residency. Sadly, the second time this is online, I'm not able to be there. So friends, snappers, it's really great to be at least virtually in touch. I've kind of thought long and hard what I wanted to tell you. And, actually at this time, I think it's really just about telling stories to each other, about exchanging ideas and about being together. So rather than a keynote, what I've done is I've recorded a little activity, kind of like a workshop, where I'm inviting you to follow me along to use artificial intelligence and machine learning to animate a story and to maybe animate a greeting card to express yourself computationally in a way that might be surprising and delightful. So the story that I'm going to tell is really just a thank you to all of you. I'm really missing the community over in Olod. I'm missing the friends. I'm missing the friendship. So as I'm looking out of the window, as I'm recording this here in southern Germany, it is raining heavily and it's actually kind of cold, a little too cold for May. And this has turned into a somewhat strange world. It is the second time in a row that our world seems to be cursed by this COVID virus, and it's kind of keeping us from being together. And the worst part for me is really missing out on the friends, missing out on all the moments together where we've been inspired and delighted by ideas, where there have been these eureka moments of sudden recognition of something that has happened to us. So I'm thinking of this other place where you're now, and I really would love to kind of step into my car, and I'm looking forward to the time when we'll be able to travel again and meet again in person. As right now we're really trying to uphold this online, as the vaccinations are really picking up, we're hoping to be at a place where we can physically meet again, maybe in a couple of months. And so all of you who are now maybe at the slopes of the Garoccia volcano, where in the beautiful town of Olod, this year for the 20th time, there is the Robolod conference. I think I'd really like to invite you to play with some of the cool features of Snap, to maybe find out how you can let your mind fly using some cool abstraction techniques that I've prepared for you. And it's actually kind of funny, now that I think about it, I really miss the rain over in Garoccia, over in Olod. I'm wishing you a very happy, insightful, inspiring Robolod conference. Please get in touch, send me an email if there's anything about Snap, anything about the activity that I've recorded for you that you encounter. Very much looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you and enjoy the conference.